Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great day. So I'm actually on my way to Zhiyun, who's the owner of Bumblebee, as a lot of you guys will have seen if you've been watching previous vlogs on my channel. And he's actually busy with a unique build to his S2000 in the form of a turbocharged upgrade to his engine. And the previous mechanic that's actually been busy with the build has somehow misplaced the air cup switches on his car, and his car is currently standing at Saeed now, who is finishing off the build, and they are not able to now air the car up as a result of those switches being misplaced. So I'm just on my way to him quickly, and we will then take a look at what we can do with regards to replacing those switches, as well as just walking around the build and taking a look at the upgrades that have been done. So let me just continue driving and I'll catch up with you guys once I get there. So this is where I'm going to be cutting that quick sneak preview of Zhiyun's Turbo S2000 build. If you guys would like to see full coverage of the build, then please do consider subscribing to the channel, as well as hitting that bell icon for notifications of when the full video does drop. But I'm going to be ending this one here now, guys. Until the next one, remember, your build, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.